Have you ever wondered how companies make sure their online services always know where to send and receive information? How do apps, websites, and data all communicate smoothly without any hiccups, even in complex cloud networks? The answer often lies in how they manage traffic within their network. There's a powerful AWS service that handles this crucial job behind the scenes. This service is called Amazon Route Table. You may have heard of it, but might not know exactly what it does. Amazon Route Table works like a traffic manager for your cloud network. Imagine it as a GPS system that directs the flow of data in your cloud environment, ensuring every piece of information reaches the right destination. Think of a route table as a guidebook that tells your cloud resources exactly where to go. It's like setting up road signs on a highway that direct the data traffic between different parts of your network, whether it's from your server to your database or from your app to the outside internet. Without route tables, data could get lost, go to the wrong place, or never get to its destination. Setting up these rules manually can be confusing and prone to errors. Amazon Route Table takes the headache out of managing these connections by allowing you to easily define the rules of your network, ensuring that all your cloud services can communicate efficiently and securely. It keeps the flow of information smooth and under your control. I hope you now understand the use of Amazon Route Table. If you enjoyed this explanation, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy-to-understand AWS service explanations.